You're probably going to travel to Europe this year, but what if I told you that you're missing out on the continent's best-kept secret? Get ready to ditch the predictable and discover a place that will absolutely blow your mind. You've seen the usual suspects: Paris, Rome, Barcelona. They're great, don't get me wrong. But there's a whole world beyond the well-trodden paths, a place brimming with authentic experiences, unbelievable history, and wine that rivals the best of France, all without the price tag or the crowds. We're talking about Moldova, a small country tucked away in Eastern Europe that most people can't even point to on a map. And trust me, that's exactly why you need to go. We're about to dive into 20 reasons why Moldova should be at the very top of your travel wish list, uncovering adventures, tastes, and stories you won't find anywhere else. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be booking your tickets. First up, let's talk about the absolute star of the show: wine. Moldova is, without a doubt, one of the greatest wine countries you've never heard of. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest filled with gold. They've been making wine here for thousands of years, long before most of Europe even knew what a grape was. You can't come to Moldova and not immerse yourself in its sprawling vineyards. Picture this: rolling green hills, bathed in sunlight, row after row of grapevines stretching as far as the eye can see. It's breathtaking. Number 1 on our list is exploring these incredible vineyards. Many of them are small, family-run operations where you can chat with the winemakers themselves. They'll tell you stories handed down through generations, share their passion, and maybe even let you stomp a few grapes if you're lucky. It's not just a drink, it's a way of life here. Which brings us to number 2, visiting world-class wineries. These aren't your typical stuffy tasting rooms. We're talking about places with history, grandeur, and an almost mythical scale. Imagine walking into a place that feels less like a winery and more like an underground city. That's exactly what you get at Milestii Mici, our third must-do. Milestii Mici holds the Guinness World Record for the largest wine cellar in the world, stretching over 200 kilometers, that's about 124 miles, with millions of bottles of wine stored beneath the earth. Seriously, you drive through it in a car or on a guided tour, navigating by street names like Cabernet Street and Pinot Street. It's an insane, awe-inspiring experience, like something out of a James Bond movie. The air itself smells of rich, aged wine. You'll be speechless, I promise. And right on its heels is number 4, indulging in a tasting at Cricova. This isn't just any winery. Cricova is legendary. It's another massive underground wine city, famous for its sparkling wines and its incredible collection, which includes bottles from Hermann Göring's private stash from World War II. Presidents and royalty have walked these tunnels, tasted these wines. You'll descend deep into the earth, where the temperature and humidity are perfect for wine aging, and then emerge to taste some of the finest Moldovan wines, paired with traditional snacks. It's an experience that truly tickles all the senses. Beyond the vineyards, Moldova's history is calling. Our 5th recommendation is to wander through the charming streets of Chișinău, the capital city. Chișinău is a fascinating mix of Soviet-era architecture, grand parks, and modern cafes. It's not a city that screams for attention, but it has a quiet charm that grows on you. You can spend hours just strolling, soaking in the atmosphere. As you wander, you'll notice something unique. That's number 6, admiring Chișinău's Soviet-era architecture. From the grand government buildings to the blocky apartment complexes, these structures tell a powerful story of a bygone era. It's like stepping into a time capsule, a fascinating contrast to the bustling modern life around it. But for a real journey back in time, number 7 is a game changer: visiting Orheiul Vechi. This place is simply breathtaking. It's an archaeological complex carved into a cliffside, home to a medieval cave monastery, ancient fortifications, and stunning panoramic views of the Route River. You'll hike up to the monastery, a small white church clinging to the rock face, and you might even meet the resident monk who still lives there. It's a spiritual and incredibly scenic spot that feels like something out of a fantasy novel. Following that, number 8 is exploring the cliffside setting of Orheiul Vechi itself. The natural beauty surrounding the complex is just as impressive as the historical sites. Imagine standing on a ridge, with the river snaking through the valley below and ancient dwellings etched into the opposing cliffs. It's a photographer's dream and a soul-soothing experience. Now, for something truly unique, prepare for number 9, discovering Transnistria. This is a self-declared republic that literally doesn't exist on most maps. It's a sliver of land between Moldova and Ukraine that broke away after the fall of the Soviet Union and still operates as if the Soviet Union never dissolved. And that leads to number 10, experiencing Transnistria's unique Soviet-era atmosphere. When you cross the border, yes, there's a border control, complete with old Soviet-style guards. You step into a different world. Lenin statues still stand proud, the hammer and sickle flag flies high, and the local currency, the Transnistrian ruble, is unique, even featuring a plastic coin. It's a surreal, thought-provoking, and completely safe experience that offers a glimpse into a frozen moment in history. If history and wine aren't enough, Moldova's natural beauty will capture your heart. Number 11. Enjoying Moldova's rolling hills and picturesque landscapes. The country is often called the Garden of Eden for a reason. It's a land of gentle slopes, fertile plains, and untouched greenery that just begs you to explore. For outdoor enthusiasts, number 12 is a must, hiking through Codri National Park. This is one of Europe's oldest nature reserves, a dense forest ecosystem that's home to a huge variety of plants and animals. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature. And while you're there, number 13 is observing the diverse flora and fauna in Codri National Park. Keep your eyes peeled for rare birds, deer, wild boars, and maybe even a badger. The sheer biodiversity here is incredible, a testament to Moldova's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Another natural gem is number 14, discovering Saharna Monastery. This monastery isn't just a spiritual site, it's nestled in a truly stunning natural setting, with waterfalls cascading into the Dniester River. It's a place of pilgrimage and incredible beauty, where you can feel a profound sense of peace and wonder. Of course, no travel experience is complete without digging into the local food, and Moldova's cuisine is a revelation. Number 15. Sampling traditional Moldovan dishes. The food here is hearty, flavorful, and incredibly comforting. It's a fusion of Romanian, Russian, and Turkish influences, but with its own distinct character. You absolutely have to try number 16, mamaliga. This is a staple, a thick cornmeal porridge often served with cheese, sour cream, or fried pork. It's simple, humble, and utterly delicious. The ultimate comfort food. It's almost like a creamy, savory polenta, and it's served everywhere. And then there's number 17, sarmale. These are incredibly flavorful stuffed cabbage rolls, usually filled with minced meat and rice, simmered in a rich tomato sauce. Each region has its own twist, but they're always a winner. Pair them with a good Moldovan red wine, and you're in culinary heaven. Beyond food, dive into the culture. Number 18 is attending a folk music performance. Moldovans are passionate about their traditions, and their music is vibrant and soulful. You'll hear lively violins, accordions, and flutes, often accompanied by energetic traditional dances. It's an infectious celebration of their heritage. And while you're at it, number 19 is learning about Moldova's rich cultural traditions. From their intricate embroidery to their colorful celebrations and ancient legends, there's a deep well of culture to explore. Talk to locals, visit a village, and let them share their stories with you. Finally, for something a bit different, consider number 20, visiting the Tiraspol market. This bustling market in Transnistria is a sensory overload in the best way possible. You'll find everything from fresh produce and local cheeses to Soviet memorabilia and everyday goods. It's a fantastic place to observe local life and maybe snag a unique souvenir. Moldova might be small, but it punches way above its weight when it comes to offering truly unforgettable travel experiences. With its delicious food and wine, ancient historical sites, and breathtaking natural beauty, it provides something for everyone. It's an adventure waiting to happen, a place where every corner holds a new discovery. So if you're looking for a travel experience that's off the beaten path, authentic, and incredibly rewarding, Moldova is calling your name. If you're ready to plan your trip, check the video description for the best deals on everything you need.